Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Kia and today I'm showing you guys how I ship out my cash envelopes. So I recently got an order 2 days ago or 2 nights ago of 16 cash envelopes. So I'm packaging them up today and I just wanted to show you guys. My packaging is super duper simple, but I also feel like it's really cute. So I hope you guys enjoy. These are double label sheets that I can use. So I just put this in my printer and print it off. Okay, so I haven't done this before in this printer, but I think I put them down, facing down, and I think it'll come up. We're about to see. I'm just gonna close, and then I'm about to print it. Go back, Nanny.
Wow.
Wow.
Color. Here it comes.
I still need to get some thank you cards made and some business cards. So if you guys have any idea of somewhere who makes really nice ones, and like either they can design them and I just purchase them, or I design them some kind of way and then have them print them for me. So let me know if y'all know of anybody that can do that. Also, these bags, they work, but they're not exactly what I wanted. I wanted them to lay like this instead of like this, but hey, it works. And I'm gonna use them until they're all gone. So now, I just take my package, put it inside of here. And I use those clear envelopes to keep my actual envelopes from separating during shipping. Close it up. And then I put a thank you sticker on them. I have 3 rolls of this where they say thank you, but they're all different. So I think I have 2 shiny ones. No, I have 2 another type, like kind of like a matte, but right now I'm using my shiny. I just put it in the middle, and then that's that. Besides this, hold on, let me see if I can show you guys, because I don't know how to blur out yet, but yeah, that's it besides this on top. If you have any ideas or anything of how I can make my packaging look better, because I know it can look a lot better, and it'll look even better once it has my thank you cards and business cards in it, definitely leave some suggestions down below.